Hello everyone, I'm Fariji Distrubor from the College of Criminology, Section A. So my topic for today is about PNP General Policy and Guidelines on Labor Disputes. According to the PNP Operational Procedure Manual 2021, the general policy and guidelines of all PNP personnel are as follows. Number 1 is the involvement of PNP personnel during strikes, blackouts, and labor disputes in general shall be limited to the maintenance of peace and order, which means their primary focus is to ensure public safety and uphold the laws without taking sides or intervening the dispute itself. Number two is the case of actual violence, the police can respond without the written request, which means, or in other words, if naigubot mahitabo, ang police mo respond sila balag wala sila'y written request. Number 3, no PNP personnel shall be allowed to render police assistance in connection with a strike or lockout, which means og naa kay like for example is imong nakay isa ka pamilya nga nagtrabaho sa PNP, so walay kuan dili ka makahatag og assistance in case if naay gubot. Number 4 is PNP personnel detailed as a peacekeeping force in strike or lockout area shall wear the prescribed police uniform, which means they must wear their official police uniforms to identify them as police officers. Number 5 is they shall exercise maximum tolerance and when called for by the station or when all other peaceful and non-violent means have been exhausted, which means the police officers should try to calm things down first and only use force if it's necessary to protect people and property. Number 6. The matter of determining whether a strike, picket, or lockout is legal or not should be left to the Department of Labor and Employment. This means that the police shouldn't decide if a strike or lockout is legal or not. Trabaho na sa Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE. Number 7. No personal escort shall be provided to any of the parties to the controversy unless upon written request from the DOLE. So, police escorts are only provided when necessary and only happen if the OLE asks. Number 8. During the pendency of a strike or lockout, the police personnel concerned are prohibited from socializing with any of the parties involved in the controversy. It means that the police officers are not allowed to socialize or interact informally, and it helps them to do their job without taking sides. Number 9. Liaison shall be established and maintained with the representatives of the ULE, managed in the union in the strike lockout area for the purposes of maintaining peace and order, meaning that the police will work with the DOE, company management, and union leaders. Number 10. The peacekeeping detail shall establish a command post outside the 50-meter radius from the picket line, which means the police will set up a command post in the picket line to maintain peace and order while keeping traffic flowing on public roads. Moreover, law enforcement agents shall at all times exercise maximum tolerance. In case of unlawful aggression, only reasonable force may be employed to prevent or repel it. The employment of tear gas and water cannons shall be made under the control and supervision of the ground commander, and no arrest of any leader or organizer or participant shall be made during the public assembly unless he/she violates any pertinent law as a evidence warrant. The next is public assemblies, rallies, and demonstrations. Public assemblies refers to any rally, demonstration, march, parade, procession, or any other form of mass or concerted action held in a public place for the purpose of presenting a lawful cause. Means public assembly, gathering, line, rallies, or protests, whether people come together to express their opinions or concerns on various issues. Next is freedom of peaceful assembly. Freedom of peaceful assembly is a basic human right that should be enjoyed and exercised by individuals and groups, unregistered associations, legal entities, and corporate bodies. Means that the freedom of peaceful assembly enables people to voice their opinions and the right to assemble without fear or persecution or restriction. And that's the end of my topic.